Start recording. Stop recording button. Speech off.
What's up, everybody? The Tech Piano Player Kid here, and this is just a quick update. So, the mixer I have, the Behringer Xenex X1204 USB. Well, the first time that I had this in for repair because the effects modular was basically defective. Fast forward a month or two later, now I only hear one channel on one ear. I don't hear both channels now. Checked everything, all the cables, everything. I even switched out cables and everything. Everything seems to be fine. So it's the mixer itself. So this is the second time I literally have to send this in for repair. So unfortunately, I will not be able to do any audio game demonstrations. I mean, I could use the loop back, but then I can't turn anything. I mean, I would have to. But then I don't have a really good microphone, and you'll hear my computer fan running in the background going crazy, because I use a third-party app called SMC Fan Control, which basically runs to keep my computer cool, since I do a lot of stuff on there. So, for the time being, I will have to pause my YouTube channel for just a while. Not much, hopefully. Hopefully it will go a lot quicker, but let's just hope they fix it and I don't have to, my dad doesn't have to pay anything for this. Honestly, if this happens again and the warranty runs out, I'm probably just gonna I want to get the, my dream mixer, which is the SoundCraft Signature 12 MTK. It's a mixer it's about $500 last time I checked. And I believe, from my understanding, it's all through USB. So you can set certain things to certain channels. So I could probably set things to voiceover, this channel, and all that kind of stuff. At least I think. If that's the case, I'd like to get that one, because then I don't have to have all these crazy wires going over the place, like I have on my Behringer. So that's what's happening. So yeah, this is the second time this has happened. I just hope this doesn't happen again for the third time, and I hope they find something, because if they don't find anything, I'd be very surprised, because I don't think it's the cable. I most certainly think it's not the cable, because the cable, what's funny is that morning when it broke, it was perfectly fine when I started using it, and then I came back down and I tried using it, and there goes my computer going into screensaver mode, where it was fine, and I was gonna get ready for, I think it was after school, one of my classes for school, and I came back down, and I was like, wait a minute, I only hear this on one channel in mono. That's not right. So I checked my connections. I checked, make sure the panning wasn't panned all the way to the left, because maybe I bumped something. I make sure all my sliders were in the right position, and no buttons were pressed, which I don't think there's no buttons that can make it into mono, but still, checked everything. Everything was just, yeah, it just didn't work. So, and it's the left channel. I mean, the left channel is working, the right channel is not working. So it's through everything. Like, even when speaking to my microphone, it's just, the whole thing is just on the left channel. And everything is centered, like all the panning is centered. So it should be where it should be. And I tried turning it off, turning it back on, nothing, just the same perspective. So I have to send into community tribes, or tribe community, whatever they're called, and have them fix it. And hopefully they can fix it this time. But again, my dream mixer is the it's the Xenex, what's it called? The SoundCraft Signature 12 MTK, or MTK 12. I'm not sure which way it is. But that's like a $500 mixer again, and I don't know when and if I will get that. As long as this mixer is working, the one I have now with the Behringer, as long as it's on its feet, then, I mean, I probably will keep using that one until I can afford the SoundCraft. So that's it for this video, guys. That's just a quick update. Don't worry, I still will be uploading I might do a demonstration maybe on how the security system is hooked up, at least a brief demonstration, because I can't really show you how it is hooked up because the wires are in the wall. So yeah, but it will give you an idea like how everything is kind of hooked up, and yeah. So that's it for this video, guys. Any questions, please send them to thetechpianoplayerkit@gmail.com. Like, comment, subscribe, and turn on my post notifications. And any questions, again, send them to thetechpianoplayerkit@gmail.com. With your video requests, please go under the About section. Click on Forms for video request form. Click on that for the information, and I will get the notification. That's it for today. Take care. God bless you all, and peace. The Tech Piano Player Kid is out.